Okay, I have to go to work, so I'll be very quick. I love everything. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bria. Welcome back to another YouTube video. What's poppin'? What's good? This is a full face full of black owned makeup. Like, let's get into it because I think I look bomb. Technically 3 things that I use that weren't black owned were the brushes, the eyebrows, and the eyeshadow primer. Because if I ordered them, they would have taken too long to get here. So COVID. So I have Juvia's Place in here, I have Mented, I have Beauty Bakery, so a lot of different things that I have not tried before, so I was really excited to try them, and I love everything. So yeah, just stay tuned to watch. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you do those 4 things. Put that post notification bell to know every time that I upload, because I need y'all to be knowing. Put that notification bell on, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What's good? So I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette and start off with this red undertone brown shade and put it in the crease. The next color I'm going to use is a taupey light brown shade, and I'm going to put it above the crease color in circular motions. This is to diffuse any harsh lines that may have formed because of that crease color. Then I'm going to use a light brown shimmer shade on the inner corner to the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to use a dark brown shimmer shade on the middle of my lid to the outer corner of my lid, and that's going to create a nice ombre effect. Make sure you do not swipe, just pat your shimmers, okay? I feel like swiping just tugs on the eye. Your eye is already sensitive, you don't want to mess it up, so just pat the shimmers on, whether it's with your finger or a brush. I just feel like it looks nicer. If you're looking for a eyeshadow palette, some good eyeshadow palettes are from Ace Beauté, so I highly recommend you check those out. They're really, really nice, good quality, very pigmented eyeshadows. Did I mention the eye glue stick from Crayon Case is $8? Because that's black owned too, so check that out. I heard good things about that too. Next, we are going to use the Beauty Bakery baking spray. It is aggressive. It's very aggressive, can't even lie. Very fragrance too, heavily fragranced. But I still used it, and to me it smells good. It kind of smells like a hairspray in a sense, but I liked it. So I'm going to use the Oma Beauty Say What foundation in the shade Brown Sugar T4N. It is a little liquidy, but trust me, it's worth it. I love it. If you're looking for another black owned foundation, Range Beauty is $21, and they have really, really good foundation shades. Also for eyebrows, I didn't even mention I used Anastasia for the brows, but the Lip Bar High Brow is $14. 10 out of 10 recommend. I definitely think you should try those out. Next, I'm using the Oma Beauty Contour Stick.
Uncle Stan, how could you lie to those policemen? Don't you know lying is always wrong?
Mabel, when you get to be my age, you'll learn that
Not so
sometimes you have
police.
to bend the truth.
In the shade Black Pearl. It goes on sale frequently, so I highly suggest that you try to get it when it's on sale. It is $40, but hey, it is what it is. I think it's very worth it. It comes in 6 different shades. Remember, don't draw on your face, okay? No Kim K drawing. We're not doing that. Make sure you just do nice little dots. Same with your nose, and then blend it in. Go lightly with cream contour. I'm using an IT Cosmetics brush. I don't even think they use this anymore, but any angled, dense brush will do. It blends cream products very nicely, seamlessly. Same with doing your nose contour. Make sure it's a nice, small, dense brush. Then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery Instabay concealers. I have the shades Pennsylvania. I put that on first. It was a little too dark, so to brighten it up, I used Kakak Chai over top of it. And I used more of the Pennsylvania than I did of Kakak Chai. You only need a little bit, regardless of what concealer you're using. Just use a little bit and then blend it in. And I'm sorry for the mirror placement. I apologize for that.
Unacceptable condition! Unacceptable!
I love the mirror, but not when I'm filming, because that was disrespectful. So I'm gonna blend those in. And first I start to pat it in with the brush, and then I kind of sweep across, but I mainly like just stippling the concealer in. It just gives it a more seamless look. New Band Beauty also has a really nice concealer called In My Skin Liquid Concealer, and it's $9.99. So I recommend you check those out as well. A lot of people who use that concealer. It's really good. Again, I'm so sorry for the mirror placement. I did not mean that at all. I know y'all can't see nothing.
Unacceptable!
To set the under eyes and everywhere I highlighted with the concealer, I'm going to use the Mented Loose Setting Powder in Medium Deep. Again, I know I'm sorry for the mirror placement. I know. I'm trying, y'all.
It's nothing out here that has changed. If anything, it went from worse to worse.
This is my first time trying this, and I absolutely love it. I love it.
SPF 100? Good. I like you. But this isn't an easy job.
SPF 100 does nothing. Anything past, I think, 30 or 50 is fine. And I'm watching Gravity Falls, y'all. Like, Gravity Falls is really, really good. If you're also looking for a different setting powder, Prime Beauty, they're $25. Really good, seamless on the face, just phenomenal. I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that may have formed with those powders, just to blend in the highlighting and the foundation together. And I'm going to use Black Opal's Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the shade Dark to set the entire face. And I poured too much out. Yeah, I put too much on the brush, and then I shook it off, and the powder went practically everywhere. So be careful with loose powders, just in general. Black Opal wasn't even Black owned for 25 years until 2019. Isn't that crazy?
Possibly escape.
Okay, my original.
Why am I
plan was to
forgetting
take
what I
together a
do?
bunch of fish sticks to make you a prosthetic pair
When
of
I do this a
toes.
lot.
Intriguing.
But then I realized I could just transfer.
Why am I forgetting what I do next?
Who's there?
So next I'm going to bronze with Mented's bronzer in the shade Out of Office. I also have another bronzer because this one is a little deep. So if I want to kind of have a lighter day, I think it's called Yacht Life. But they have 4 different color bronzers. Again, 10 out of 10 recommend. This is nice. And I'm just bronzing everywhere I put that contour stick. Next, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And I'm going to take B and put that on the cheeks today. Oh, and the nose. The cheeks and the nose. And I'm going back in with the brush I used the setting powder with to just diffuse the blush if it's a little bit too much. Next, I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey highlighting palette. And I'm going to take the shade Queen Being and highlight on my cheeks, forehead, nose. Everywhere I want to highlight, that's where I'm going to put it. New Band Beauty also has really nice loose highlighter. It's called the Deglow Loose Highlighter for $11.99. Check that out. And next I'm going to be using the Black Opal Super Volumizing Mascara. It only comes in black. Actually, I think it comes in blue too. But that's only if you want blue. And I didn't. So I got it in black. And that's on black. And I liked it. It was really nice. Gave my lashes a lot of volume, which is the point. Super volumizing mascara.
Duh.
So I recommend it. Give it a try. See how you guys like it. I'm putting some eyeshadow underneath the lash line. That same eyeshadow that we used for the crease color. Now we got some lip products. I am first going to be using the Mented Lip Liner. And then I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Velvet Lipstick in the shade Cocoa. And I'll put that all over the lips. It's a velvet matte lipstick. If you guys are looking for, lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff like that, Kyor Cosmetics, they run from $15.99 to $19.99. Check those out because those are bomb. Next, I'm going to use the Black Opal lip gloss just to top everything off. Because y'all know I love me some lip gloss. And the Beauty Bakery setting spray, back at it again. And that is the completed look, y'all. Yes, I'm in my car. Mind your business. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Black-owned makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys have any more suggestions for Black-owned beauty brands, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.